Did you know that some anime heroes pay the ultimate price for their power? Meet Kai and his best friend Yuki. They're just normal high school students hanging out after class, but everything changes when shadow monsters called Hollows attack their town. Yuki gets hurt badly trying to protect other people. She's dying right in front of Kai's eyes. That's when a mysterious stranger appears with a glowing badge. This will give you Soul Reaper powers, he says. You can save her. Kai doesn't think twice. He grabs the badge and feels incredible power flow through him. He fights off the monsters and heals Yuki completely. She opens her eyes and smiles. But then Kai looks down at his hands. They're wrinkled and old. The stranger reveals the terrible truth. Each time you use Soul Reaper powers, it burns years off your life. Kai has aged 30 years in just minutes. His hair turns gray as Yuki watches in horror, but Kai just smiles. Some things are worth dying for, he whispers, knowing he chose love over his own future.